Hello everyone. Today we're going to have a practice at adding. Now this isn't new to you, we have done addition before in school. I'm hoping that this is a bit of a revisit for you and let's see what you can remember. Now have a little look at my screen. Can anyone remember what this sign here means? That's right, it's our add sign. When we're adding, that means that we want to find more. We want a bigger number. Okay, now can anyone remember what this sign is? These two lines together. That's right, that's our equal sign. And that tells us where we're going to put our answer. Now, we're going to have a little practice together at some of the questions that you will find on our class page for this week. Are you ready? So activity 1, you'll find a sheet with some pictures on. And your task is to add them together. So, have a look at the first one here. We've got 2 pictures here. 1, 2. You have to first count them very carefully. You could put them to count them, or you could cross them off on your paper to help, like this. 1, 2. Oh, there's that sign in the middle there. Can you remember what we need to do? That's right, we're going to add. So we're going to add this amount here. How many have we got here? That's right, just 1. So we've got 2. We're going to add 1 more. And we've got this sign here. That's right, it's the equals. And that tells us that our answer is going to go at the end here in the circle. Now, let's count them all together to see how many we've got. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 3. So our answer is 3. And we're going to write that in here. I know you're all very good at writing number 3. If you've forgotten, you can use our number rhymes that are also on our class pages, or you could get a grown-up to write the number and you could trace over the top. So are you ready? Number 3, around the tree, around the tree. That's the way we make a 3. Now, if you can do that and you found your answer and you want to have a go, you could do this underneath to show me the number sentence. The number sentence is the numerals written with our signs in between. You could write 2, add 1 equals 3. You could do that underneath if you want to have a go. Shall we try another one? Okay, let's see what we've got here. This time we've got some superheroes. Let's count them and see how many we've got. We've got 1, 2 to begin with. So we've got 2. Well, what's that sign again? That's right, it's the add sign. So we're going to have more at the end. How many superheroes are we going to add? Let's count again. 1, 2. So we've got 2, add 2. And what's that sign at the end? Well done, it's the equals. Let's put them all together then to find our total, our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is 4. We're going to write that in the circle. And again, if you're not sure how to write number 4, you can use our number rhymes, which are on the website. Oh, here's number 4 down here. So we're going to go down and over and down some more. That's the way we make a 4. Now, grown-ups, you could also help your child to use a number line to work out the answers, which we have started to do in school. To do that, you use your number line, which is this along the bottom. You start on the number at the beginning. So this last one with the superheroes, we would start on 2 because we've got 2 to begin with, and we're going to add 2. We're going to do 2 jumps. You ready? 1, 2. And we still get the same answer, number 4. That's another way in which you could do it. Another thing you could do if you want is you could use objects from around your house, some toys, some pasta, anything you've got lying around to help physically see the amount that you're wanting to count. So have a go at activity number 1. Now the activity number 2 is a little bit different and a bit trickier because you haven't got the pictures there to help you. You've just got number sentence. So remember, first of all, To read the number sentence, check you know what it's asking you to do. So let's see if you can do it with me. Are you ready? What number is here first? That's right, it's 6. What's the sign telling us to do? That's right, it's add. Your child might say plus. Fine. And what number have we got next? Yeah, it's 2. And the final sign is equals. Well done. So we've got 6 add 2 equals. Now, same as activity 1, if you prefer, you could draw some pictures. So you could draw 6 pictures, draw 2 pictures, and count them all together. You might want to use objects, count out 6, count out 2, put them all together, find your answer. You might want to use the number line, starting at 6 and jumping on 2 numbers. The final way that you might want to choose to do is using Numicon. We use Numicon all the time in school to support the children with their maths learning. You can download these from our class website and print them out, and the children can use those to help with maths. But don't worry if you can't do that. It's absolutely fine to use objects or to draw pictures. If you do choose to use the Numicon, this is what they look like. So Numicon number 6 looks like this. So we're going to get Numicon number 6 first. And the children are very good at recognising the Numicon pieces because the colour always stays the same. So number 6 is always this colour. It has 6 circles, 6 holes in it. And you're going to add, so we want more. So we're going to need another Numicon tile. We need Numicon number 2, which looks like this. It's the purple one with the 2 holes. And then to find the answer, all that we do is we get both the Numicon pieces, we put them together. We put our number 2 on the top, and then we count how many at the end. Now, your child might choose to count each individual circle, like they would with objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or, good try, which we've started to do in school, is we know already that this is number 6. So put that in your head and just count on 2. So 6 in your head. Ready? 7, 8. So we've got 8 altogether. Your child might also recognise that the Numicon 8 tile, this green one, is the same shape as what we've now made. Can you see it fits exactly over the top? So just by looking at this, they might already recognise that our answer is 8. Now don't forget, after your equal sign, we need to write the answer. Again, you can use the number formations on the class page to help you. So let's try and do number 8. Are we ready? Make an S and do not wait. When it's joined up, you have an 8. Well done, everybody. I hope that's helped. Have a little go at those activities and just try your best. Have fun. See you soon.